What's the meaning of bring? Bring. Bring.
Bring. Bring. The word bring generally means to cause something or someone to come towards the speaker, or to a specified place. It is an action that results in the movement of an object or person towards a destination or a person. The result of bringing can be either physical or abstract, depending on the context. For example, bringing a book to a friend is a physical action, whereas bringing up a topic in conversation is an abstract action. In essence, bringing involves initiating an action that results in the intended object or person being moved or introduced to a new environment or situation.